What is API documentation?
API documentation is a guide that explains how to communicate with a software service or library. It details the available features, methods, input and output formats, authentication, and usage examples. By providing clear explanations and real-world examples, API documentation helps developers connect their code with other applications. Understanding this documentation is essential for effective software development and integration.
Finding key sections in API docs.
API documentation is usually organized into sections like an overview, authentication, endpoints, parameters, response formats, and error codes. Start with the overview to understand what the API does. Next, look for authentication instructions. Then, explore the list of endpoints. These describe specific actions or data you can access. This organization helps you locate information quickly while learning a new API.
Understanding endpoints and requests.
Endpoints are the URLs where you send requests to interact with the API. Each endpoint has methods like GET for retrieving data or POST for sending new data. The documentation describes which methods are supported, required parameters, and what kind of data you can expect in return. Understanding the structure of requests and how to format them is essential for using the API correctly.
How to use examples and code snippets.
Most API documentation provides examples and code snippets in popular programming languages. These samples show exactly how to form requests and handle responses. Reviewing these examples helps you see how to implement the API in your own code. Try copying a sample and running it. Then modify the inputs to learn how changes affect the output.
Tips for efficiently using API documentation.
When approaching API docs, start by reading the introduction and overview. Use the table of contents or search to find what you need. Focus on authentication and key endpoints first. Don't hesitate to reference the error code section if you run into problems. Practice by making small test requests to build confidence and a deeper understanding.